Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for anyone managing diabetes or watching their blood sugar. We'll be discussing 6 foods you should avoid to keep your blood sugar levels in check. We're going to break down why these foods are so harmful and what you can choose instead to stay healthy and happy. Remember, I'm not your doctor, and this is not medical advice, just good information to help you make the best decisions for your health. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a big one, sugary drinks. These beverages are everywhere, from your local grocery store to your favorite restaurant. They're marketed as refreshing and delicious, but there's a hidden danger lurking in every sip. We're talking soda, fruit juices, sweetened teas, sports drinks, and fancy coffee concoctions. Each of these drinks might seem harmless, but they pack a sugary punch that can have serious consequences for your health. These drinks are practically sugar bombs disguised as thirst quenchers. A single can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar. Imagine dumping that much sugar into your body with just one drink. Why are they so bad? Well, they're loaded with simple sugars, and these sugars get absorbed into your bloodstream incredibly fast. This rapid absorption can wreak havoc on your body's natural balance. This causes a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, which is like sending your body on a roller coaster ride it didn't sign up for. Your pancreas has to work overtime to produce insulin to bring those levels back down. Over time, these constant spikes can really take a toll on your body, increasing your risk of complications like heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney problems. It's not just about the immediate sugar rush, it's about the long-term damage. And don't be fooled by those diet or sugar-free drinks either. They often contain artificial sweeteners, which can have their own set of health concerns. Some studies suggest they might even trick your body into craving more sugar. So what can you sip on instead? Water is your absolute best bet. It's the most natural way to stay hydrated and doesn't come with any hidden dangers. It's naturally sugar-free and keeps you hydrated. Plus, it's readily available and doesn't cost a thing if you're drinking from the tap. Unsweetened tea, black coffee, and sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime are also great alternatives. These drinks can be just as satisfying without the added sugar. Remember, ditch the sugary drinks, and your body will thank you for it. Making the switch to healthier beverages can improve your energy levels, help you maintain a healthy weight, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So next time you're thirsty, reach for a glass of water or an unsweetened beverage. Your future self will be grateful. Next up, we're putting white bread under the microscope. This seemingly innocent staple of many households has more to it than meets the eye. You know, that fluffy, white bread that's often a staple in many kitchens. It's the go-to for sandwiches, toast, and even a quick snack. But have you ever wondered what makes it so soft and light? Here's the thing. White bread is made from refined grains, which means it's been stripped of its fiber and nutrients during processing. The refining process removes the bran and germ, leaving behind the starchy endosperm. This not only affects the texture, but also the nutritional value. Fiber is crucial because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Without fiber, your body processes the carbohydrates in white bread much faster. Without fiber, white bread acts like a sugary drink in disguise, causing your blood sugar to shoot up quickly. This rapid spike can lead to a quick drop, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after eating. Plus, white bread has a high glycemic index, which means it's quickly converted into glucose in your body, further contributing to blood sugar imbalances. High glycemic index foods can lead to increased hunger and overeating, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. So, what's a bread lover to do? Opt for whole grain bread instead. Whole grain bread retains the bran and germ, which are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Look for bread that lists whole grain as the first ingredient and is a good source of fiber. Reading the nutritional label can help you make a better choice. Aim for bread with at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. Whole grain bread is digested more slowly, providing a more gradual and sustained release of energy, which is much better for blood sugar control. This means you'll feel fuller for longer and have more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Making the switch to whole grain bread can be a simple yet effective way to improve your diet. Not only does it offer more nutrients, but it also supports better overall health. So next time you're at the store, reach for the whole grain option and give your body the fiber and nutrients it needs. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By choosing whole grain bread over white bread, you're taking a step towards better health and well-being. Enjoy your meals knowing you're making a healthier choice for you and your family. White rice, similar to white bread, is another refined carbohydrate that can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. These refined carbs are stripped of their natural goodness, leaving behind a product that can cause more harm than good. Just like white bread, white rice has been stripped of its bran and germ, leaving behind mostly starch. This process removes essential nutrients and fiber, making it a less healthy option compared to its whole grain counterparts. And starch, my friends, gets broken down into sugar in your body. This rapid conversion can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, which over time can contribute to insulin resistance and other metabolic issues. This means that a big plate of white rice can lead to a significant surge in your blood sugar, especially if you're not careful with your portion sizes. Consuming large amounts of white rice regularly can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other health problems. But don't despair, rice lovers. There are plenty of delicious and nutritious alternatives that can satisfy your rice cravings without the negative health impacts. There are healthier alternatives out there. Exploring different grains can add variety to your diet and provide you with a range of nutrients that white rice simply can't offer. Brown rice is a fantastic option. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its bran and germ, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This makes it a more wholesome and nutritious choice. It's a whole grain that still contains the bran and germ, providing fiber and nutrients. The fiber in brown rice helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Quinoa, another great choice, is naturally gluten-free and packed with protein and fiber, making it a blood sugar-friendly superstar. This ancient grain is not only versatile, but also incredibly nutritious, offering a complete protein source with all 9 essential amino acids. So, next time you're craving rice, reach for the brown rice or quinoa instead. These alternatives can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels and support overall health. Your blood sugar will thank you. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy your meals without compromising your health. Embrace the variety and nourish your body with the best grains nature has to offer. Yogurt can be a healthy and delicious snack, but don't let those fruit-flavored yogurts fool you. They often hide a mountain of added sugar, which can send your blood sugar levels soaring. Those fruity flavors might seem innocent, but many brands load their yogurts with sugar to enhance the taste. In fact, some fruit-flavored yogurts contain as much sugar as a candy bar. To avoid this sugary trap, always choose plain yogurt and add your own fruit for sweetness and flavor. Plain yogurt gives you the benefits of calcium and probiotics without the added sugar rush. You can add fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Remember, read those labels carefully and don't let those fruit-flavored yogurts deceive you. Starting your day with a bowl of cereal might seem like a healthy choice, but many breakfast cereals are loaded with hidden sugars. Those colorful, kid-friendly cereals, in particular, are often the worst offenders. Food companies know how to make their cereals tempting, especially to children, and they often use sugar as their secret weapon. Even cereals marketed as healthy or low-fat can be surprisingly high in sugar. To avoid a sugar crash before your day even begins, always check the nutrition label and choose cereals that are low in sugar and high in fiber. Look for cereals with less than 10 grams of sugar per serving and at least 3 grams of fiber. And remember, you can always add fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds to your cereal for extra flavor and nutrition. Let's face it, fried foods are delicious. But when it comes to managing your blood sugar, they're a recipe for disaster. French fries, fried chicken, onion rings, donuts, these deep-fried delights are loaded with unhealthy fats and calories, which can contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when your cells don't respond properly to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This means your pancreas has to work harder to produce more insulin, which can lead to high blood sugar and eventually type 2 diabetes. So, what's the solution? Limit your intake of fried foods as much as possible. Instead of deep frying, try baking, grilling, or roasting your favorite foods. These cooking methods use less oil and fat, making them much healthier options. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, managing your blood sugar is a journey, not a race. Small changes to your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Stay healthy and take care.